Hello guys, Neopal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today I have another unboxing, and this time we're unboxing this, the Western Digital MyPassport Ultra for Mac. Okay, so as you can see we have this drive here, and it's a 4TB drive. There is options in I think 1TB, 2TB, 4TB and 5TB. I got the 4TB. It was €130 approximately, not too bad. You can actually get a 5TB drive for pretty much that price from Western Digital, a very similar model, except it's an older model and it's not USB-C. So as you can see, it's MyPassport Ultra for Mac, though you know you can use pretty much any hard drive for any operating system. However, this one comes pre-formatted for Mac, which is okay, but not a big deal. But the reason why I bought this one instead of the other one was the fact that it has USB-C on both ends, which is pretty nice. Because actually Western Digital had this this weird connector before. I've had Western Digital drives for quite some time now, and yeah, this is not an SSD, it's a hard drive, which is okay for me because I'm not going to use it a lot. Well, I mean, it's gonna be for backup mainly of photos and videos. So yeah. So opening it up, to see we have this plastic thing, very hard plastic actually, and we have the drive itself. So right here, this is the drive. It has this metal case right here. I thought it was thinner actually, but it's not bad. I mean, it's 4TB. I'm not complaining by any means. And yeah, as you can see, we have the USB-C here, which is great. And then we do have the cable. So of course, being USB-C, it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable, but as you can see here, we also have the USB-C to USB-A adapter. So this is pretty helpful for many different things. And yeah, so let's undo this. And here we have the USB-C cable. Put it right here, very good. And then we can just either connect this directly to the Mac, which is pretty good if you have a new MacBook, or if you have an old one, just put it here. What the? So this is the most stupid thing I've seen in quite some time. So, as you all know, USB-C is reversible, but the adapter is not reversible. You have to put it in a certain way, which is absolutely stupid. But anyway, I'm not gonna use this, so leave it there. And yeah, we have this. Now let's go ahead and connect it to the Mac to see what we got. Okay, so as you can see, we have our Mac here and we have our hard drive. So what we're gonna do is just connect the USB-C to any port in the Mac. That's the great thing about USB-C. And trickier than I thought. It's very hard. Oh, so it actually doesn't go all the way in. Yeah, looks like. Oh no, it's quite hard actually. But we're connected here, and soon we should see it pop it up. Right here, we can see there's a small light, LED indicator, and it's actually asking me if I want to use it for Time Machine because it does come ready for Time Machine. In this case, I don't want to use it for Time Machine. We have it here in my passport. So we actually have some recovery or install discovery for Mac. I don't know what this is. Should be maybe some recovery software or something. Yeah, I don't want to install this at this point. And yeah, it turns out we have, oh no, yeah, so that's the software. So I'm gonna exclude that. And if I go to get info, we can see that there's 4TB. So yeah, that's a lot of terabytes. So yeah, that's how it works basically. As I said, you can configure it to use Time Machine on your Mac. So basically this will automatically back up your Mac, the new files, the old files, and you have all the versions, which is very handy actually. But yeah, what I want this for is for backups. So I just want to back up all my photos, my videos, the Final Cut libraries and stuff. So that's why I got it. But yeah, now I'm gonna transfer all the data from my old hard drive to this new one. And yeah, now let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, so as you saw, here's the MyPassport Ultra for Mac. I really like that it comes ready for Time Machine, but actually I think pretty much any drive does. And it comes ready to use in macOS, because if you know, the macOS doesn't understand NTFS format, I'm pretty sure. So if you have a drive formatted in that format, you will not be able to put it later, like to copy files to that format. You can read them, but you cannot write. So that sucks, and you have to format the drive. However, if you get a brand new drive, you can just do that as soon as you plug it in. You just format it using this utility, and that's it. But this one you don't have to, which is an extra step. But actually, yeah, what sold me for this one was the USB-C. I really like it. It's very hard on the Mac, actually. It's as you saw in the video, it was hard for me to put it in. But yeah, I hope it will. To get it out, I didn't record it, but it almost felt like I was damaging the port on the Mac, which I don't like. But hopefully it will go softer with time. And I actually also really like that it does include the adapter for USB-A, so in case you have an older Mac or you want to use it with Windows or whatever, or actually another laptop or computer or whatever, you have the USB-A port, which is very handy too. But yeah, this is the review. As usual, if you have any questions about this drive, you can let me know down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. Also, if you want to purchase it, you can do it in the link down below and it will help support the channel. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more Apple related content coming every week. I have so many exciting videos. We have 16-inch MacBook Pro review, AirPods Pro review, HomePod review, so many, HomePod unboxing actually. Yeah, that's a small surprise there. But yeah, subscribe, and if some of those videos are already up, you can see them right here. And yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.